Hello, I am Josh Harms, and I will be talking about sustainable energy production and how moving from carbon-based power production, such as natural gas, to renewable power production like solar photovoltaic is a good thing for both the environment and the average consumer. What is the environmental impact? By transitioning from carbon-based energy to solar energy, less CO2 will be emitted into the atmosphere. CO2 introduction into the atmosphere has been linked to climate change and global warming. The rising temperatures of both the atmosphere and the oceans has a direct effect on biodiversity. Rising sea temperatures lead to the bleaching of coral reefs and melting of polar ice caps, making those two types of areas less sustainable as breeding and hunting grounds for large populations of species, which directly impacts how many different types of species can live there. What is the social impact? According to the US Energy Information Administration's annual energy outlook for 2025, the levelized cost of electricity for natural gas combined cycle is between $50 and $100 per megawatt hour versus solar photovoltaic, which is mostly $50 per megawatt hour or less. Because of this price difference, a consumer whose electricity is provided by a natural gas plant could possibly pay up to 3 times more than if they bought electricity from a solar farm. What can we do to increase the transition from carbon-based energy to renewables? Well, one of the reasons that carbon-based power plants are maintained for the grid is because of the power usage during times outside of when renewables can generate power, such as nighttime. So my call to action for the average viewer is to minimize usage of electricity during the night from appliances like AC units or heaters. Hashtag sustainable future, hashtag nuclear power.